Hello, everyone, and today we will take an in-depth look at one of the most interesting modern services, Tendi.ai. If you are looking for innovative solutions based on artificial intelligence, then this site definitely deserves your attention. Let's start with an overall overview. Tendi.ai is a platform that helps users create and optimize their projects. The site's interface immediately catches the eye with its minimalism and modern design. Everything is designed to be very intuitive, from simple navigation to the well-thought-out structure that allows you to quickly find the necessary functionality. Special attention should be paid to the technologies embedded in the core of Tendi.ai. The platform actively utilizes artificial intelligence to help solve tasks related to, for example, image generation, data analytics, or process automation. I have always been impressed when services not only showcase beautiful results, but also allow for a deeper dive into analysis and optimization. And here, Tendi.ai excels at the highest level. Furthermore, the site offers convenient tools for enhancing work efficiency. Whether you are working with large volumes of data or need fast and high-quality creative solutions, you can find all this right here. It is also worth noting the adaptability of the platform. It looks great on both desktop and mobile devices, making it accessible anytime and anywhere. Let's talk a little about the user experience. After registration, you immediately enter the dashboard, where you are greeted with detailed instructions and tips. This is especially valuable for newcomers in the world of AI technologies. And for those who are already familiar with such tools, Tendi.ai offers powerful customization and integration capabilities with other services. In conclusion, Tendi.ai is a modern and multifunctional solution that can become a real asset for professionals in the world of digital technologies. If you want to experience the latest AI tools in practice and see how they can transform your workflow, be sure to check out Tendi.ai.